Here is the unboxing video of the 5188 radio. Our radio is a 1DAN 5.1-inch radio, which is a multifunction radio, suitable for many types of cars. If you do not know whether the size of our radio is suitable for your car, you can consult our customer service. You can adjust the sound and time by setting. There are many languages in our radio to set. You can play the music inside by inserting the SD card. Our radio also supports mirroring function and Bluetooth function, which can bring you more convenience when you are driving the car. If you encounter any problems during the installation and use of our radio, please feel free to contact our Thank you for watching.